Girl, you are one of a kind. Anyhow, your body is so good. Your body is so right. Your body is so good. Wanna see your blueprint.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm gonna be doing a cut crease tutorial for you guys. It's gonna be somewhat of a colorful cut crease. I haven't been doing a lot of colors since lately, so I wanted to have some fun. So yeah, so we're gonna go in with our transition color. I'm taking my crease blender brush from Stilazzi, and this is just from the Black Radiance contour kit palette, and then I'm gonna follow up with my 35B Mrphe palette, and I'm taking this dark green to add to the transition because I wanted a dark green look for the crease, because I wanted like a Caribbean Jamaican kind of vibe. So I it wasn't like intentional, but it ended up looking that way, so I used like Jamaican colors. Now I'm cutting the crease. I'm taking my time to just really made that line. I used my golden beige concealer from Sistar Cosmetics to do this. This is what's going to work as our base for the crease to make all the eyeshadow that we're going to apply to pop. I then go in with my smudge brush from Stilazzi, and I'm taking this beautiful yellow from the same 35B palette, and I'm patting this on. Always pat on your matte eyeshadows, guys. Never swipe it. If it's like metallic or shimmery, it's okay to swipe, but once it's matte, pat it. Don't swipe. So yeah, then I'm following up with this lighter green for the outer portion of the lid area, and I'm patting this on as well, just blending the two shades together. Like, guys, these looks really just come with practice. It's really not that difficult. Just time and practice and you'll be fine. Yeah. So I'm going back on the outer portion with the dark green again to just make sure everything is well blended and diffused. I follow up with this like glitter liner, and it's like of a golden bronzy vibe, and I applied this to the crease. I took my time because you really don't want to mess this up. After you made that really straight line, you really don't want to mess this up. So this just kind of just added some flair and pop to the eye look, which I really loved. Was really loving it. Now this is a Stilazzi liner. This is in the color Jet. This is a black one. I got like 5 of these. I'm so happy. Thanks, Stilazzi. I really love the consistency of this liner. It's really creamy, very pigmented. It glided onto the lid like a dream. I really love it, and it dried down matte, so I don't have any problems so far with it. And I took my time. Oh, I also used the Stilazzi angled brush to create my wing liner, which as you can see looks like it could cut you. So I was really happy with that. And I also applied some of that to my lower waterline. Yeah. Oh, by the way, as you guys see, I applied my face makeup off camera because the focus, I wanted the focus to be on the eyes, so that's what I did. I applied some of the contour shade to the lash line, and then I set my face with my setting spray from Milani, and I pat that in with my damp beauty sponge. But yeah, we're pretty much done with the eyes, guys. As I said, I really wanted the focus to be on that. So now I'm going in with this tapered brush from Stilazzi, and this is what I'm going to use to apply my illuminator today. And the fact that it's tapered really helped to just diffuse that highlighter on my cheekbones a little bit more. So I don't know, I'm loving it. I don't know if it's the fluffiness or what, but it really helped to make the product just diffuse out a little bit more, and there weren't any harsh lines at all. So I really love that. So I feel like this is gonna become like my highlighter brush now. Like, I'm really loving it. So yeah, I just went on all the areas I really wanted to glow up. And then for the lips, I'm going in with Gaelle liquid lipstick here, and it's in the shade Browning. Alright, in Jamaica we would say browning. Like when a girl I walk on the road and a man and say browning, you look good, Yeah. So I don't know, the name of these lippies just always make me smile because like they're just so Jamaican. But yeah, so that's what I applied to the lips. That's pretty much it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just patting it in so it looks more matte. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. Like, I haven't done something this vibrant in a while. I'm gonna try to do more of these, yeah, it was very fun for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and let me know the other looks you'd like for me to do as usual. Oh, by the way, my wig is from RPG here as usual. All the details will be in the description box. Check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.